160 quid versus X-Max. 3, 2, 1, go. So the X-Maxes give up for now then, Dean. Onto the arrma, eh?
Yeah, there's an issue with that X-Max, I don't know what. It's not quite right.
At least you're not crying about it.
No.
Mind you, it's broke that many times, you're used to it now, aren't you?
That's what it does is break, isn't it? That's all they do is break.
It's all part of the hobby, isn't it?
Arrma tough now.
Did you bring the hammer? The players got that, or Ian, haven't they?
Straightening hammer.
Yeah.
How long is this going to last before it busts?
There we go. Sorry about the wind, guys. So is my camera view. Yeah. Sounds like something's catching. Nice.
Jump over this little one here.
I normally jump over this, but we'll have to move back a bit.
Yeah, because that is a heavy truggy.
As if it's still there.
Run, fatty, run! There's 3 calories you just lost, Dean.
3 calories on the top here.
Nice. Not so nice. Maybe put some intro music there, Dean, where you're running.
Wasn't it? Still feels like it's steering one way. You're right where I goes in.
Lucas, move. What?
You're right. Wrong side, mate. You want to be behind Gary, you do, mate?
Oh!
Nice. Nice save.
Oh! Yeah, kick back, lad. He's running after it. I don't want to hit you, that's all it is, mate. If I hit you, I'm going to be in a lot of trouble. If you hit with one of these in the face, you'll have no teeth left. I'm sure you still on. Then I've got to explain to your parents what you know. Ooh. Battery's out, all my phones unplugged. I've got the line of this better now.
Yeah?
So I don't land on the side of the tank on it.
You're making it look like there's moles round here, Dean.
Huh?
You're making it look like there's moles round here.
Ooh.
Another one added.
Look at the holes.
Yeah, I know. Batch, come out again. So X-Max poorly. Typhon
Just cooling down.
just cooling down.
Typhon's taking it today, isn't it?
Doing some nice air there, aren't you, Dean?
Covering myself in crap. Typhon's flying. Do you
Yeah.
reckon the Typhon will be broke before we finish here?
No.
Do you not reckon?
No, I reckon the field's getting beaten up though.
Probably good that it's soft.
Yeah.
I think
I've got all the bits to do it, haven't I?
you've had it for a while, haven't you?
Yeah. Oh, should have. Dean, run, run! Burger house, burger time! Oh, oh, yay!
Oh!
Wow,
I'm a tough baby!
it is now. Then again, not much is left of armour, is there?
Oh! Those landers are brutal.
It's all because of Lee Wood's upgrades, isn't it?
Yeah, check out Lee Wood at Custom RC Upgrades.
What'd you say, Dean?
Custom RC Upgrades.
Yeah. Link in the description.
Yeah, Gary, is this your video, isn't it, Gaz?
I thought it was yours. That's your way of saying, nah, I don't know how to.
I don't know how to do it.
In the comments.
Just copy and paste.
Yeah.
Oh!
Battery dead.
I think so.
That was lucky. And then we got someone who's commandeered my TX4. How you getting on, boys?
Alright, just go on, bud.
Just unplugged?
Yeah.
Happy days.
That's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
This thing is so bad.
Can't get over the punishment this thing's soaking up today.
Yeah.
Track it out, I'm not surprised.
You've given it some clout, haven't you?
Set the track in. Oh,
It's pun to right.
how's it?
It works.
It's very Banksy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know when you get used to something and start to think it's slow?
Yeah.
Does it look slow?
I don't know, people in the comments mention whether it's slow or not. Oh!
Oh dear!
Dane,
Let's
what
check out
happened?
the chassis, guys! Oh, that hit the chassis.
That went ding, didn't it?
Oh.
Oh, it's still wet. Oh. Oh.
That hit the chassis, guys.
Oh. Oh. What's happened? Oh. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh dear.
Oh. Oh. Guys!
That's how much it impacted there.
Is it bent?
Is it bent, guys? Maybe twisted.
Is it twisted?
I don't know.
Have I bent it? Have I actually bent a Just Bash It chassis? Oh!
Is there a twist in it?
Oh!
I don't know.
It is, it's twisted.
Oh, it is, yeah. It is, but
come on.
that was a
I
hell
just
of a...
hit that into a lamppost.
Yeah.
Flat out, I mean, look at that. You cannot deny the sheer strength of this. Oh. Oh.
Mm.
Wow. Let's check it out, guys. I think the battery tray's ripped off, which is loose. Oh. So
is that the screws come loose?
yeah, but I can't. Oh, look at it. But I can easily straighten that anyway.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Am I the first person to damage a Just Splash It RC chassis?
Well, if anything survives by your
I
end.
just hit, you can see the dirt mark on there. I mean,
Yeah.
that's a solid steel girder.
Yeah.
So it's just. Ah, right, okay. Well, we might. Oh, there's a bit of a dip in it as well. Yeah, I'm gonna have to strip it all off and beat it flat a bit, aren't I? But come on, I mean, what chassis do you know that would survive that anyway?
That's
Guess what? It's still going. So we ain't stopping there. Gonna do it. You might as well do it.
poor arrma.
You've got to put that video on, Gaz. Edit it all, put it on.
My motor's dead.
Boys, you might want to jump.
What do you reckon, Pat?